Right then, guys, let's talk about something truly special. Something that whisks you away to a sunny Portuguese coastline with just one bite. I'm talking about beautiful, smoky, salty sardinhas asadas, grilled sardines. Honestly, food doesn't get much simpler or more delicious than this. It's all about celebrating an incredible little fish in the most honest way possible. Forget all that fuss and faff. This is rustic, real-deal cooking. The big secret is to respect the sardine. We're going to cook it whole, scales, innards, the lot. I know it sounds a bit mad, but trust me on this one. Keeping everything intact is the key. It's what brilliant Portuguese chefs and home cooks do for a reason. The innards keep the fish moist and juicy, steaming it from within till unbelievably tender. Cook with confidence and you'll get off-the-charts results. Let's get stuck in. First things first, get top-quality sardines. This is non-negotiable. Look for bright, clear eyes and firm flesh that springs back. Avoid cloudy or sunken eyes. Plan for 4 to 6 per person. They cook down. Buy from a fishmonger you trust. About 30 minutes before grilling, salt generously with coarse sea salt. Don't be shy. Salt draws moisture from the skin for that crispy, charred finish. It creates a protective crust and seasons the fish perfectly. Most of the salt stays on the skin, so it won't be too salty. Let them sit and chill for half an hour so the salt can do its thing. While they rest, fire up the grill and prep your bits. Timing is everything. This tiny step turns good into great. Quick word on sustainability. Check 2026 seafood guides and ask origin. Choose Atlantic or Mediterranean stocks so we can enjoy this for years to come. Beat. Okay, it's time to cook. You want the grill seriously hot, coals glowing white hot. No charcoal? A heavy griddle pan on high heat works brilliantly. Intense direct heat chars the skin and keeps the inside tender. Use a wire grill basket. 2 racks that clamp together. Lay sardines in, lock it up, flip them all in one go. Absolute lifesaver. It stops sticking and keeps delicate fish from falling apart. Place the basket over the hottest spot and listen for that gorgeous sizzle. Cook 2 to 3 minutes on the first side. Let the heat blister and char. Flip, then another 2 to 3 minutes till skin is crisp, flesh opaque and flaky. Off the heat and straight onto a thick slice of sourdough. No plates. Finish with extra virgin olive oil and a few lemon wedges. Job done. A brilliant main needs brilliant sides. Think simple, fresh, full of flavor. Salada de pimentos. Grill peppers till blackened. Cover to steam, peel, then dress with olive oil and salt. New potatoes, scrub, boil in salted water. Drain, toss with butter or olive oil. Finish with parsley and a pinch of sea salt. Perfect for soaking up those lovely sardine juices or your bread. Tomato salad, slice ripe heirlooms, add very thin red onion, sprinkle sea salt, drizzle quality olive oil. Bright acidity cleanses the palate. All in one, zucchini chunks, cherry tomatoes, asparagus, minced garlic, dried oregano, olive oil, salt and pepper. Toss well. Roast at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes while your fish grills. Easy peasy and so delicious. Bold fish, bright sides, everything balanced, vibrant, and ready to share. Beat home stretch. Little pro tips to go from great to epic. Be generous with salt. Most stays on the skin. Peel it back if it's too salty. The flesh will be perfectly seasoned. The bread rule. That slice catches smoky, oily juices. Eat the fish first, then the juice-soaked bread last. Savor it. To nix fishy hands, rub with a used lemon wedge after washing, or rub on stainless steel under running water. Sounds bonkers. Works a treat. Beautiful, simple, honest sardinhas asadas. Get them on the grill and serve hot and sizzling. Enjoy straight away with something cold and crisp. Don't forget that glorious bread at the end, and do check your local 2026 seafood guides for sustainable fish. This is summer cooking at its best. Quick, delicious, full of sunshine. Get in there.